Hi guys, we're here with another video for Blender, and this one's gonna be about how to create a translucent decal for with Decal Machine 2.0. Okay, so let's grab everything and just let's delete it. So let's start from scratch, shall we? So we're gonna grab a cube, right, and we're going to turn on cavity and shadow, and we're going to go to edit mode and subdivide it. But before we do that, I'm gonna enable screencast keys, which is off again. So right click, subdivide, shift R to subdivide it a few times more. Grab these squares around here, then go to W selection and select the rest of it except for this one. Now go to vert mode, checker deselect, right? Go to Q menu with hard ops, create a circle, make it a bit smaller, and extrude it inside. Let's change this to individual origins, make it a bit smaller, bevel this, right, and subdivide it with one subdivision is enough. Alt M to add a matte, Shift D to copy this to the left side, Alt M, and Alt click on the matte to create a translucent matte, emission matte, and then we're going to go here and add this transmission, this one, and assign. And we're gonna make it a bit more blue because blue is where it's hidden, right? Now let's go to really quickly to shade editor and make it a bit stronger. Yeah, there you go, that's much better. Okay, so now we're going to create in fact I'm going to make it stronger still. There we go, so we get some nice bloom. Yeah, also let me change this to something a bit more sci-fi, and this one's a bit dark, so we're gonna make it a bit less dark. So let's bump it up a bit. Yeah, there we go. All right, maybe that's too bright. Okay, now let's create a cube, no, not a cube, I mean sphere, and let's bring it in here. Let's make it a bit smaller. Alt M, add a matte, and then let's fix the matte. Shall we turn off the metallic, turn on the transmission, okay? And we need to change the color to something a bit brighter, yeah? So it's gonna be easier to see through it, preferably, close to white, yeah? So you cannot see through it yet because we need to change the viewport visibility, the display here to alpha blend. And if you're getting this artifact, all you need to do is simply turn off this the show backface and turn on space refractions. Also under EV, what you need to do is turn on the refraction, yeah, otherwise it's not going to work. So we got this translucent matte now going on, right? And all you need to do is go to Decal Machine. I'm gonna grab one of my decals and drop it in here, and then project it with Alt as usual. And now we need to change the matte to the same one, the plastic. So now you can see that it's translucent, we can see through it, but we have one more problem, and it's the shadows. That's the AO. Well, all you need to do basically is grab this decal, go here, and just drop the AO to 0, and Bob's your uncle. Now you have a perfectly translucent decal with Decal Machine 2.0. Now you need to make sure that you're adding BSDF matte to it, yeah, because Decal Machine will not work with other mattes because it's based on BSDF shaders. Anyway guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it. Give us a like and sub if you did. Links to Decal Machine, hard ops, box cutter, etc. in the video description, so if you want to grab one of these add-ons, go through the links, you're gonna help me as well. That's it for this video, thanks for watching, catch you in the next one.